You're getting a critical reminder from a local trauma team to stay safe this summer and beyond. It's National Safety Month.
Local News 8's Rachel Fabi has more on what doctors want you to know before you head out and begin to play this summer.
The biggest thing we find is that when kids are out of school, people play. And playing is great, but it's also very dangerous.
The trauma team at Eastern Idaho Regional Medical Center is preparing for a busy summer with COVID restrictions scaling back.
People are out recreating in higher numbers locally now than they ever have before.
There are some things you can do to make sure you don't end up needing a visit to the ER.
The initial thing we'd suggest everybody do is wear their seatbelt when they drive to and from any type of recreation.
So far, during the 100 deadliest days, at least 18 people have died on Idaho roads. At least 7 were not wearing a seatbelt. Another must is wearing that helmet.
Helmet compliance, whether you're on a motorcycle, a four-wheeler, or an ATV, helps prevent traumatic brain injury. We can fix a lot of things, but we can't fix your brain.
As the only burn center in the state, they also see a lot of burn patients. So if you're enjoying the great outdoors by camping, there are things you can do right away should someone get burned.
The number one thing to do in any type of burn situation is stop the burning process. So get the child out of the fire, get the child away from the fire, and tear off all of those clothes. Remove hot ash, remove anything that could still continue to be burning that patient.
The next thing is cleanliness.
If we can wash that area off, we always hear about cold water. Cold water is great. If you can wash that off with cold water, but try and make it cold and clean water.
You then want to make sure to wrap the burn in something clean.
Oftentimes people think they need to put an ointment on or something like that. We just want them to wrap it up in clean, dry dressing.
You then need to get them to the doctor as fast as possible. In Idaho Falls, I'm Rachel Fabi.